I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello. Hey guys, what's up? So today we're taste testing pumpkin spice oatmeal from Trader Joe's. You get the hint. Comes in a cute little packet. That. And it's adorable. For the first taste test, I wanted to get like the authentic flavor, so I thought I'd just add water. The ingredients are whole grain rolled oats, cane sugar, pecans, dried pumpkin, sea salt, caramel color, and natural spices. Sorry, furball. Yeah, let's give it a go. This is sweet. This is very sweet. Very sweet. Very good. Very sweet. Pumpkin is like the second to last flavor you get. The first thing you get is like hit with a shot of sugar, and then a texture of oatmeal, a little bit of the pecan essence, and then pumpkin is like the last like flavor note to like hit your tongue. So I don't know. I bought coffee first thing in the morning, so that'll cut through it. Okay, that makes sense. Sugar is the second ingredient, and I don't know if the caramel color is like caramel color or caramel sweetener. It's very sweet. I'm sorry, I have a sophisticated palate, and this is very sugary. I'm gonna add like milk, so unsweetened almond milk, to see if that kind of chills it out, because it's good. If I wanted it like a sugar rush, it's fine, but it's just kind of a little bit too sweet for me. So BRB. I added some milk to my oatmeal because, ooh, look, it's already like kind of separating. Do you see that? Like the colors and stuff. Well, let's see if this is better. I do like adding milk to oatmeal because it kind of makes it like cooler. I don't know. I like soupy oatmeal. Is that weird? I don't care. I don't care what you think of me. Yes, I did. Just act like I don't care. But yeah, let's see if this is a little bit better. Whoa, that is still sweet. Guys, I might mix it with steel cut oats and sweetness, and I don't know if I can eat this all without either mixing it with steel cut oats, maybe adding more water. That's why I can eat anything. I mean, if I have to, I'll finish it. You don't have to do this, Heidi. You just want to. I like the texture. Yeah, it's a little chunky. I'm gonna edit this video, and at the end I'm gonna try a recipe with pumpkin pecan instant oatmeal and steel cut oats combined. Maybe see if that makes it a little bit more palatable, because as of right now, it's not hard to eat. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it. Hey, what's up? I'm back. I went to the gym and I'm ready to eat oatmeal again. But yeah, this time pumpkin spice, pecan pumpkin Trader Joe's oatmeal. It needs to be less sweet because I had a packet and kind of just tastes like sugar. It's still pretty early, about 6:40 in the morning. I wake up incredibly early, so sometimes I just have 2 breakfasts. But let's get this started. Mix this bad boy up with some hot water. And then I have steel cut oats on the side, which if anybody hasn't had steel cut oats, it's basically just like a thicker, all natural version of oatmeal, and it's really great. It takes forever to cook, so the inconvenience in comparison to quick cut oats, which are like processed, cooked, and then like steamed oats, is just, yeah, sometimes it doesn't match. But I'm thinking if I mix the two, then it'll be pretty good. So I'm gonna get this, and I'm just gonna glop it in there because, oh God, that's what I do, guys, okay? This isn't a fancy cooking show yet. So we're just gonna mix that in there, let it do its thing, because, yeah, it's not gonna look appetizing until it fluffs up, but steel cut oats and this oatmeal will kind of take away from all the sugariness. And yeah, I'm gonna put a plate over it and nougat. Now I try not to use the microwave unless I'm heating up popcorn, but we'll see. So right there, coffee still hasn't kicked in, so this is not pumpkin spice coffee. It's Colombian roast, which goes great with pumpkin spice stuff, but I had it for a couple days. The pumpkin spice coffee's bomb, but it's a little intense, guys. It's like my personality. You can't do it 24/7. Well, you can, but it's a lot to handle. Okay, we're gonna let this chill, and I'm gonna be back in like 2 minutes. So, 1, 2, 3, go. And I'm back again. Okay, so I let the oatmeal kind of chill. I combined Trader Joe's pumpkin spice with steel cut oats because honestly, the flavor of this is delicious, but it's way too sweet, and I don't want to die of a sugar attack because I already eat a lot of sugar. So I thought I'd make it less sweet, add some steel cut oats, and mix it up with other stuff. So I have some pecans. I'm just going to dump those in there. Some healthy monosaturated fats with some almond milk because it's double protein. Make it pretty. And then why not just add a little bit more cinnamon because people like cinnamon, especially during the fall. I know I do. And then wham bam, thank you ma'am. You got yourself like a kind of healthy breakfast. Well, healthier than the one I had before. Just stir it up. And I know it's going to be less sweet because I had it and it was way too sweet. And now I'm going to have it and it's going to be not as sweet. And I have a black coffee and it's going to cut through the sweetness. I'm going to tell you guys if it's good or not. Let's see. So much better. It's just like hearty, healthy, and delicious. The other one was like really delicious, just way too sweet. If you have a mega sweet tooth, go get that oatmeal. I don't think I'll be getting it again. It's got 14 grams of sugar, which is a ton. Trader Joe's is incredible, but I feel like they market a lot of like junk food and they kind of give it off like it's healthy. You're still getting processed, packaged, like sugar-laden food, and yeah, just eat fresh, guys, obviously. Says the girl who's eating pumpkin oatmeal out of a packet, but yeah. I'm like a grump in the morning. It's okay though. Is who I am. This is delicious, and I might work out again or go for another cycle or something. So until then, I hope everybody has a great day. I eat something pumpkin. 45 Nights of Pumpkin Spice continues, and maybe I'll just make a steel cut oat recipe because yeah, steel cut oats are so underrated. They're just time consuming, you know. Ugh. It's like calling your parents back. Takes a lot of energy out of you. I'm kidding. I should do that more often. But, yeah, you don't. Because I'm a bad daughter, and I'm self-absorbed. So I'm going to finish this oatmeal. Have a great day. Eat something pumpkin spice. Bye, guys.